Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove and replace the rear swivel links from any Mercedes Benz C Class from the year 2005 and up. So in the previous video I showed you all how to remove the front swivel links on this car, and now in today's episode I'm going to show you all how to remove them on the rear side. It's exactly the same procedure, it's very easy. In some cases it will be a little bit difficult because probably they will be very rusted or something like that, but there is nothing impossible that you can do. So as you can see, this is the rear swivel links on this car. This is where it's installed. You have to remove the upper position bolt which is securing it on the sway bar, and after that you have to remove this longer bolt which is securing it through the lower control arm on the car. Also in my case I did sprayed a little bit of WD-40 over them just to make sure that they will come out a little bit easier than usual. Also, it's a very good idea to remember that the method and the steps which I will show you right here is not only working on the Mercedes Benz C Class, it's working for the A Class, for the A Class, B Class, and any other manufacturer which is out there nowadays. So with all of these things being said, the first thing which you have to do is to hold the bolt from not spinning around with a 22mm key, and after that with a 70mm key you have to remove the little bolt which is securing it mounted to the sway bar. After disconnecting the swivel link from the top position, you'll have to go right at the lower position and remove the longer bolt which is securing it mounted over the lower control arm. After that, the only thing which you have to do is to pull it out from the vehicle and install the brand new one in its place. After you finish removing the old part from your vehicle, I recommend all to compare the old part with the new part, because in this way you will know exactly if the new part is exactly the same part, or if it's not going to fit properly, or if it's going to fit, and so on. So it's a very good idea to compare them, because in this way you'll know exactly what you have to do next. So in my case they are looking exactly the same, they are the exact same part on the exact same length and dimensions. So in my case I'm going to install it back on the vehicle without having to worry about the part not fitting in or something like that. So to install it back on the vehicle, you'll have to put it in the exact same position, and because the new part is a little bit newer, it's going to go a little bit harder into the position. So I always like to tap it with a light hammer from the top just a little bit until it will go back onto the position, and until I will be able to put the bolt to secure it down. Also, you can use a small screwdriver to align the holes from the part with the holes from the lower control arm, and after that you can install the bolt which is securing it back on the vehicle very easy and fast. And like I always say, it's a very good idea to spray some copper paste over the parts, over the bolts, because in this way it will prevent them from not getting rusted in the future. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the new swivel link is installed back on the vehicle. I secured it on the lower position, I also secured it on the upper position, and I sprayed some copper paste over them just to prevent them from not getting rusted in the future. And this is all you have to do. Thank you all for watching. This is how to replace and install brand new swivel links on any Mercedes Benz C Class from the year 2005 and up. If you like the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.